Hi guys, welcome to Enlightened Traders, and in this video I am going to tell what trades I have taken from 8th of June to 18th of June. As you know, it has been more delay than expected, so I will try to post regular videos from Monday onwards. So let us begin from 8th of June. As you can see, the market is in downtrend, and when you go to the smaller time frame, you can see here on the 8th there is a huge downfall in the morning itself, and it has been consolidated. If you check the levels where I have taken the trade, you can see the levels. As I don't remember the levels exactly, but there are the trend lines which I have drawn in which place I have taken the positions. So as you can refer this, and the profit I have made in these 10 days is approx 10,000, as here you can see for the reference on June 8th, June 11th, 14, 15, 16 and 17, 18. As I did not record the live video, I have taken the screenshots. For your reference, I can show you. These are the photos. And this approximately combines to be around 10,000. So what is the interesting thing is, on the 18th of June, that is on Friday, the market has slightly gap up, and it has formed the hammer candle in which it has trapped many of the buyers here, forming the hammer candle and breaking the channel pattern. So, and the previous consolidation is also very huge that the buyers will got trapped here. So further the downfall was so much heavy that I am in the MTM in my portfolio is very volatile. I am in profit at these levels and loss at these levels, and further I have sold the put option at these levels in very small quantity of 75, that is 3 lots, and I have recovered my entire losses until end of the day. But the profit ends to be around 1700. On this day I have taken many trades, so the brokerage is also very huge. So this is the break even day for me. So coming to the analysis of the Monday trade, as you can see in the bigger time frame, the big channel pattern has been broken. If you want clarity, wait a minute. As you can see here, it is respecting this trend line from many days, from 16th April 2021 onwards. You can see it is respecting this trend line, but it has broken the trend line on last Friday, and it has retested it and closed outside the trend line. So let's see what happens on the Monday. I think it will be a huge gap down, or it can be a sideways. It cannot be bullish or going upwards further. So this is the analysis of the Monday trade and the direction in which I am going to trade. So I hope you like the video, and I will try to make videos regularly from Monday onwards. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.